everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for today's video. So today I am sharing with you a whole house clean with me. I haven't posted one of these on my channel for the longest time, but my house was well and truly overdue. The kids are still on school holidays. It is summer holidays here that I go back to school for about a week and a half. The house was long overdue for a clean. With the kids on holidays, routines go out the window. So the house needed a full clean, and I'm just going to take you along with me and we will get this tackled together. When I'm doing a full house clean, I like to start with what I feel like cleaning the least, do the worst first, as I say. And in this case, it was the bathrooms. They hadn't been cleaned for a while and they were in desperate need for a good clean. So I started in there with just a basic deep clean of my ensuite and also the boys' bathroom.
To me, trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious.
I feel like I haven't done a really super scrubbing everything really deep clean since we've been here. Obviously I did a nice clean before we unpacked everything, and I just do kind of routine daily cleaning, but not like pulling all the things out of the bathroom type scrubbing all of the things clean. So that is what I really felt like doing today. I don't know, just randomly out of the blue I felt like cleaning the house. So I feel so good that it's all done and that it's all clean all in one day for once. Normally I do like cleaning routines where I do little bits every day, but it just sort of felt nice to get it all done in one day.
My mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. So just sit with me, talking through the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were
Let that sit and soak while I clean the rest of the house.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
The worst thing about having two bathrooms is that literally when you finish cleaning one, you just have to start the whole process again over from the start. And this time in my kids' bathroom, they actually have a bath, which is the most painful thing to clean. I don't know if the pain of having to clean a bath is greater than the pleasure of kids having a bath. I don't know, I've not had a bath since we moved into this place. I'm not really a fan of taking baths. I'd much rather use a shower. I just hate cleaning them. Usually my kids clean them while they're in there. I just give them like a scrubby brush with some cleaning stuff on there and ask them to give it a scrub down while they're having a shower or something, which is how I normally clean my shower as well. I don't usually clean my shower as part of my cleaning routine. But yeah, having the bath is definitely a pain to clean.
That I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light?
Next up on the to-do list with this whole house clean with me was to change the sheets on my bed. I also did the sheets on the kids' bed, but I didn't film that. And just to give my room a quick clean up and tidy. This had been done a couple of days before, I think, or maximum a week before. So it really wasn't too bad. I just wanted to rearrange a few of my storage and organizing containers and then just give it a nice clean and wipe down.
So, but just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you
The main thing that I wanted to do in my bedroom on this day was to attach the gas struts to my storage bed. When we first moved in here, I just put it together with my son, but we didn't attach the gas struts because one was slightly bent. I got a replacement one sent out from the bed manufacturer. Then we had the absolute joy of taking the king size latex mattress off. And I'm laughing because it was not fun, it was not joyful, it was hard, it was heavy, and it was a horrible experience. I'm actually glad that the camera battery ran out because I was not in a great mood trying to put this thing together. But it's funny looking back at it now. And so we persevered and stuck with it, and now it is all together and I have my extra storage under the bed. Now these black storage cases are the Scub storage cases from IKEA, which fit perfectly under this storage bed. And I've also added some cedar mothballs because I noticed there were some moths around this place and I don't want anything getting in because I have all of my winter clothes and things in those storage containers. I haven't tried these before, but I will definitely let you know how they go.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go.
Moving into the kitchen, there wasn't really too much to be done, just the stock standard type stuff like cleaning the dishes and putting them away, unpacking and repacking the dishwasher, and just doing a general tidy up and a wipe down of all the surfaces. But because there wasn't too much to do, I also wanted just to take the time to give it a bit more of a deeper clean and move all the canisters, and you'll see later I move all the toaster and all the appliances and everything, and just do a really quite thorough clean of the surfaces. Also, because we've been here for 6 or 7 weeks now, I've started to kind of get a feel for where I think some things would work better in the cupboards and in the general layout of the kitchen. So I wanted to do a nice clean so that through the week I can do a bit of a reorganize without it being too messy.
Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoe.
Now, as I was cleaning the kitchen on this day, my boys were downstairs in the garage slash basement storage area, and they were sorting out their Lego, which is something that I've asked them to do for the last probably week and a half. And then I said, right, well, I'm cleaning the house, you guys are going and sorting out your Lego. Neither of them particularly wanted to do it, and they were both whinging about having to do it, but I was just like, just do it and get it done, and I will come up and down and help you out like every now and then, which I did throughout the day. My youngest son came up and he'd been bitten like by a mosquito or something. He had a little mosquito bite on his hand and he was really stressed out about it. I'm not going to say that he's a hypochondriac, but he gets the worst and so worked up about things. He will honestly have like a pain in his stomach and he'll be like, Mum, do you think we could Google what stomach cancer symptoms are? And I'm like, no, mate, we cannot. He honestly gets so worked up. And he was like, every 5 minutes he was coming up, he was like, Mum, it's getting sore, it's getting itchy. So I gave him an ice pack, sprayed some Stingos on it. He's like, Mum, it feels worse. Jake says it might be a radioactive spider. And I was like, it is not. And then he was like, could it be a bee? And I was like, no, it's not a bee. I'm sure you would have seen it. It went on and on and on and on and on. I will show you at the end the conversation that we had. I shouldn't laugh, but it's quite funny. Just the way that he gets himself like into such a state and literally just works himself up. And I'm just like, no, just calm down. It is not this. It is not that. And he's like, Mum, could we just Google what it feels like to be bitten by a spider? Mum, could you just Google what it feels like to be bitten by a bee? And I'm like, I have been bitten by a bee. Being bitten by a bee doesn't look like that. Being bitten by a spider doesn't look like that. Even after it stopped itching and like the bite mark went down, he was still asking me about it.
Mum, maybe I should search up what should you do if there's a lump in your hand?
No,
Do you want me
you're
to see
perfectly fine, mate. It's fine. It's fine.
it? Or like,
It's fine. It's just like a little ant bite or mosquito bite or something. You're not dying.
Mum.
Trust me.
Mum, can I just ask you something?
What?
Should I search up like what it looks like for a cockroach bite?
No. You have not been bitten by a cockroach. I'm sure you would have seen a cockroach climbing on your hand and biting you. It's literally just like a mosquito or something.
What can I search up like what a mosquito bite looks like?
I know what a mosquito bite looks like, mate. It looks like what you've been bitten by. Like, it looks like what's on your hand. Okay?
Usually it's smaller.
You're just trying to get out of finishing your Lego, mate.
I'm not!
I'm pretty sure you are.
Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean.
So now that the medical crisis has been averted for the meantime, it was time to get back to cleaning, and there was some coffee or tea stains, just minor ones, around the sink and the kettle area. So I just went in with some cream cleanser and a cloth and just buffed those out. They came out really, really easily, and then just continued on cleaning the kitchen.
It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you.
I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling.
Next on the list of things to clean today was to remove all of the covers from the sofa. This is actually the first time since I've had this sofa, which is probably about 6 months now, that I've taken them off and cleaned them. I've just usually given them a spot clean and vacuum, which has kept them in pretty good shape, but I was noticing they were looking a little bit grubby. They had some stains on it. I think just general wear and tear from the school holidays. They were getting a beating, so I decided to bite the bullet, pull them off and put them through the wash. Also wanted to use this day to catch up on absolutely all of the laundry that had been pretty much neglected again over the last Christmas New Year period, just kind of getting off routine. Looking forward to when the kids go back to school to just get back into 100% routine. But in the meantime, we're just kind of, cleaning up as we go and just not getting too stressed out about it. So giving the sofa covers a nice spray down with some pre-stain treatment and then just popping those through in the wash. And then because it was such a boiling hot day on this day that I was cleaning, just set them outside on some chairs draped over in the courtyard in the sun, and they dried in about 20 minutes.
It's easy to sing a sad song. Seems like nothing comes for free.
I actually didn't notice that the SD card ran out when I was filming this section, but I finished cleaning up, and that about wraps up today's all day clean with me. Hope you enjoyed spending time cleaning my house with me. Hope it got you motivated to go in and clean whatever needs cleaning in your place. If you did enjoy it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Have a fabulous weekend, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.
When the river is calling, I said I love you forever. We can make it together.